Hello, what's your name?
My name is Pam.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Do you have a good friend at school? Do you have a good friend at school?
Yes,
Mhm. What games do you play?
I
I play.
play balls.
Let's talk about your friend.
My friend name is Hiếu. Black ear, short hair. I I love you, my friends.
What shape is it? What shape is it? What animals live in the forest? What animals live in the forest? What color is the zebra?
Black and white.
Is the elephant big or small? Is the elephant big or small?
Elephant or big.
Let's talk about the elephant. Elephant is. Let's talk about the snake. Snake is.
Is for Vietnam. A green.
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Food. I like burger.
Do you like hamburger?
Yes, I
What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink?
like milk.
Is cake sweet or sour? How many robots are there?
For robot.
What are they?
For lunch.
Where is the cake? Where is the cake?
For it on the table.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.